It turns out the wire for the left headlight is actually loose, so I'm gonna have to super glue that. But it should be an easy fix, so there's no big problem there. Not really much of a problem, I meant to say.
Back her up! Back her up! Back her up! What you can't beat. Let's move it out. You can't beat roadside assistance.
Let's do this in the dark.
Let's move it out. You can't beat roadside assistance. Back her up. Back her up. Back her up. You can't beat roadside assistance.
Let's compare this with the turbo rig.
Let's move it out. You can't beat roadside assistance. Back her up. Back her up. You can't beat roadside assistance.
I guess that could count as a horn. I don't know. Music. And then I'm gonna just get a Hot Wheels toy for this one, since I like to hold that one instead. Forward. Let's do this in the dark.
Roadside assistance. Back her up. You can't beat roadside assistance.
And like I said, I guess the beeping for the city service league can count as a horn. I don't know. Music. Still trying to adjust it. I'm gonna try and readjust the Hot Wheels toy. I think I got it now. Forward. So that was the video on this 2012 Toy State Industrial Road Ripper City Service Fleet tow truck. And yeah, like I said, this light is not working because the wires actually are loose. They haven't ripped off, they're just loose. At least I don't really remember the last time I opened this. But yeah, if I do get a chance to open it, this will probably be easy to fix. I just gotta glue that back or maybe solder it. I don't know. Yeah, comment, like, and subscribe for more Road Rippers content. I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye, guys.